Hello my classics, it's Lana again, and if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and make that bell ring loud and proud so you know when I post, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at noon Central Time. Okay, you ever scrolling through your Facebook feed or your YouTube feed and all you see are these life hacks and you're wondering, I wonder if that's actually going to work or not? Well, guess what? I picked 8 of them. We're going to put them to the test. I have a list. 8 life hacks. Alright, so the first life hack is that mascara that is all dried out. I have one right here. It has never worked. It came dried out. It's just a real cheap mascara. I mean, it just does not work. There's nothing in the bottle, it feels like, even though it's brand new. This one is that if you put a few drops of contact solution into the mascara bottle, it'll get it working again. Now, you just saw nothing. And I'm pushing pretty hard. I'm actually scratching my skin. Luckily, I buy contact solution in bulk because I wear contacts. Oh, do that many? Let's see. I guess a little, but I mean, you'd have to really use a lot, I think. Yeah, no, that really didn't make enough of a difference. So, contact solution and mascara? Nope. The next one is that liquid lipstick can be used as an eyeliner. Well, as we all remember from a previous video, I have this NYX liquid suede in this amazing blue color that I never get a chance to wear. I'm just gonna grab this. Theoretically, this works like a liquid eyeliner. So I've got a nice narrow brush and I'm going to try. As we all know, my grasp on eyeliner is actually tentative at best, in the best of circumstances. You know what? We're going with blue, so why not get crazy with it? And go. I will admit it is extremely creamy, because we all know NYX does a pretty good job with their lip. But it is transferring like crazy to my upper lid. Let's see. Maybe in theory or in a real pinch. Let's try a thinner line. Or I just stuck it in my eyeball. I suppose that if you absolutely have to, like if you literally went to the middle of nowhere, like, and I mean like legitimate the middle of nowhere, like camping or something, and you'd forgotten your eyeliner, which I don't know why you would bring makeup on a camping trip in the first place, because really there's no place to be glam, and you really needed that wing, in a pinch, maybe if you like set it with some translucent powder, but otherwise this is going to transfer like crazy. So I'm going to give this one a pass, I suppose. Oh, number 3 was a good one. Okay. Number 3 was that 2 bobby pins will turn this into this, and that it'll work for a good highlight, which I would assume that anything like that would work for a good highlight, but they made it look so easy. So let's give it a try. Come on. Well, that can't be right. You know, no, I don't think this would work. Because I know it's hard to see because these bristles are dark. And the bobby pins aren't exactly bright colors either. But they're literally up against the top of it. So when you do this, you get hit with the bobby pins. So I call this one a fail. Next, I'm going to need to wipe my face off. The next one, I'm going to need my eyes again. So I need to wipe the blue away. That actually stained a little bit too. Because NYX knows how to make a color that sticks around. Alright. Okay, the next one is that a eyelash curler can be used to do your eyeliner. My concern with this one is that not everybody's eye shape is exact to an eyelash curler. And they don't exactly make them custom. I'll use the blue again. And, well, since we're already down the rabbit hole, we might as well try it. How am I going to do this? I'm left-handed. And then I guess we just... Alright, we're only going to do one eye with this. Even though every hack video I saw had both done. But we're just going to just... What you do is you open her up. And you... Nope, that didn't work. And I didn't make a mess like that, so... Alright, that's a no. Let's see, the next one is that tweezers will be your brow guide. I got, now the videos that I watched like 4 or 5 videos of this one. All used a charcoal pencil and just did that, where they darkened, that was terrifying, the edge. So I grabbed one, start. That was a application one. Not quite the results that the video had, but are they ever? And then theoretically I can just fill that in. So let's grab that Revlon Color Stay Brow Kit and attempt to just fill that in.
6.5 hours later.
I'd like to say that this one's a no, only because in the video she starts out with a harsh line like I did. Only hers wasn't as difficult to trace on. She ended with a perfectly blended, smooth brow. And I'm just calling that bluff because there's no way. There's no way. There's no way. She's got this ridiculous, clearly I have no eyebrows sort of look going on. Okay. The next little hack that we are going to try is that you can take a brush or a comb and create freckles. Well, alright. Let's try, shall we? I'm going to use this brow kit because we all know it's pigmented. Not on the tip of a brush or comb. Ew, I just stuck my finger in the pomade. And the girl came out with these cute little Pippi Longstockings freckles. You know what? If you really want freckles that badly, just do this. Travel back in time about 10 years to when you were a kid and your skin was very forgiving, and make your own freckles by going out and playing outside. What is going on here? Alright, hairbrush freckles? No. Next! Honey, olive oil, and sugar creates a lip scrub if you massage it in for 2 minutes. Sugar. I'm not exactly sure that I'm looking forward to this one. It sounds really gross. Grossing myself out. I'm just gonna add some honey. Then we just grab some oil. It feels like such a waste of oil. Now we're just supposed to stir this. It smells so bad. I'm not sure I want to rub this on my lips. I can't take myself seriously without actual brows. It's not coming together at all. Alright, I'm gonna try to take some. Too sweet. I'd rather lick a makeup wipe. I would rather lick a makeup wipe. And my cat smelled my finger once, went like this. Ugh. Not to be a big baby, but that is too sweet.
That's too sweet?
Yeah.
Oh.
Now, the last hack, I'm going to need a bigger bowl. So give me a moment.
A few moments later.
This one, I have a red crayon from Crayola and a bowl of very hot water. What you're supposed to be able to do is make a lipstick. Again, I guess if you're in the middle of nowhere and you forgot to pack your lipstick, and you're supposed to be able to melt it down. And again, Brandon, I will buy you new crayons. It's not melting like it did in the video. I don't know. I'd like to start by saying that there were no measurements included in this hack. In the video, it turned out to look like a pile of melted wax. Well melted and properly done just by doing it like this. here, I've got what looks like red feces. Gosh darn it, we're still gonna try. That is definitely a no. This should prove to you that you can't hack life. Life is life, and these little tricks to save time, did it really save any time? No. If I was in the middle of nowhere and all I had was a crayon and a bottle of water, I would not be able to make my own lipstick, no matter how hard I tried. Eyeliner is eyeliner and matte lipstick is lipstick. Mascara cannot be revived with contact solution. I look fabulous in blue. An eyelash curler is not meant to be the same size as your eyelid. And please don't mix honey and sugar to make a lip scrub. Also, if you want freckles, there are safer ways to do it than taking a hairbrush to your face. Moral of the story, don't hack life, live it. I really hope you liked this video, and I hope that you liked my satirical humor in it. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button down below and make that bell ring loud and proud so you know when I post, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at noon Central Time. Bye, see you, love you, always thinking of you. Have a really great day. Don't let anyone get you down. Don't let anyone dull your sparkle. And remember, do it with passion or not at all. And remember also to always be yourself. Because you're beautiful no matter what you're doing.
I'm going home. I'll never stop. Hey, Ma.